Are you looking to earn money online in 2025 without even selling your own products? Affiliate marketing might be the perfect opportunity for you. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to become a successful affiliate marketer using Involve Asia, a trusted and beginner-friendly affiliate network. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other companies' products or services and earning a commission on sales generated through your unique referral link. It's an excellent way to monetize your content and build valuable partnerships with various brands. Involve Asia is a performance-based affiliate marketing platform that connects publishers like you with advertisers, particularly strong in Southeast Asia. Founded in 2014, Involve Asia has facilitated over 1 million partnerships, generating substantial sales for its clients. Why choose Involve Asia? Their strong regional focus on Southeast Asian markets provides unique opportunities. You'll gain access to a diverse range of brands across different niches, all through a user-friendly interface. They offer reliable support and resources, ensuring you have everything you need to succeed. For instance, Get Plus streamlined its affiliate marketing using Involve Asia, achieving remarkable results. Ready to get started? First, visit the Involve Asia website and sign up as a publisher. You'll need to provide details like your name, email, and password, then verify your email address. Next, add and verify your property. This is your platform, whether it's a blog, website, or social media channel, where you'll promote links. Once approved, browse the advertiser directory to find programs that align with your audience and content. When applying, consider brand familiarity, target region, promotional methods, and commission rates. Remember, audience product fit drives conversions more than just high commission numbers. To generate affiliate links, use the deep link generator. Simply paste the product URL, select your property, and create your trackable link. Then, promote these unique links on your chosen platforms to start earning commissions. For success, truly know your audience and promote products that genuinely resonate with them. Create high-quality content like reviews and tutorials, as this is the foundation of successful affiliate marketing. Always be transparent about your affiliate relationships to build and maintain trust with your audience. Stay updated on new programs, promotions, and leverage a multi-channel strategy across social media. Optimize your content with SEO techniques to increase visibility and consider building an email list for direct promotions. Involve Asia's dashboard offers real-time tracking of your earnings, providing clear insights into clicks, conversions, and commission rates. You can download detailed reports and set up email notifications to stay informed. Experiment with A/B testing different ads and targeting options to maximize your return on investment. Avoid promoting too many products at once. Focus on a few you genuinely love and understand. Lack of transparency and not knowing the products you recommend are common pitfalls to avoid. Finally, never ignore SEO. It's crucial for standing out in a crowded online space. We've covered the essentials: signing up, finding products, sharing links, and strategies for success. Now it's your turn to take action and start your affiliate marketing journey with Involve Asia. Sign up today, click the link in the description, and unlock your potential to earn online.